I'm Tyler Austin from Gung Your Strategic. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be doing an accuracy test with this KP-9. I just got this thing a few days ago, and I came out here, just got it zeroed at a 50-yard zero with it. And I thought I'd make kind of a silly video testing the accuracy of it out at distance, even unrealistic distances for PCC. The first set, if you will, I'm going to be shooting this thing at 100 yards. You might be able to see the target. It's the white target way down there. It's just a cardboard target. I'm going to try to do headshots on it too, because why not? Now, PCCs, right, pistol caliber carbines, this is 9mm, of course. Really the max practical is the key word here. Effective range for PCC is going to be about 100 yards. Now, obviously, you can reach out to further distances with a PCC, of course, and make hits. However, practically speaking, you're looking at 100 yards for a practical effective range out of a PCC. But after this, I am probably going to try to reach it out to 250 yards and see how it does out at 250, because why not? So this should be kind of a fun video. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's see how it does at 100 yards, or more likely how I do at 100 yards. All right, KP-9 at 100 yards. This is just basic 124 grain full metal jacket, by the way, so nothing special in terms of ammo. Headshots at 100 yards. I'll do 5 rounds, just why not? All right, let's see how I did. All right, 4 out of the 5 shots landed. I'm pretty damn happy with that group, actually. I'm going to assume the 5th round probably flew to the left because the grouping was definitely left. I don't know if that's just due to my zero, or maybe there's a little bit of wind here that was pushing it left. Either way, regardless, that's a pretty damn good group. That's pretty good out of a PCC at 100 yards going for headshots. Obviously, just for people who are aware, the target's sitting up really high because I have the target in order to get this 100-yard shot. It's in defilade, so I have to have it pretty high for me to see it while prone at 100 yards. So that's why it's sitting up so high. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let's go ahead and let's push it out to 200 plus yards and see how she does. All right, I set up the target way back there. That is 250 meters. That's meters, so it's closer to 300 yards if you want to hear it in yards. Obviously, this is way further than the practical range, effective range of a PCC, but it would be entertaining, and I'm interested to see how well it does, or if I'm even able to hit it, because my holdover is going to be close to 70 inches for the 50-yard zero that I have. So this should be really interesting. I'm going to do it from the prone, just the field position prone. I won't be using any bag or whatever. I'll just be doing it right from the prone, and let's just see how I do. I don't know how many rounds I'm going to shoot yet. I'll decide that when I get on the ground. So let's see how she does. All right, 250 meters, so closer to 300 yards. 9mm AKP. All right, let's see how I did. All right, here are the results at 250 meters, or give or take 300 yards. Patterned a little bit low. 6 out of however many shots I fired. I don't even know how many shots that was, to be honest. I forget. But whatever, 6 out of however many shots I fired at 250 meters. Again, a little low, but either way, I mean, I can't be displeased with that out of a PCC from 250 meters away.